Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we have an unboxing / review of Shawn Mendes' new scent. So
excited! I haven't smelled it.
Yes, keep it here. So today I have a guest with me, Brooklyn Fragrance Lover.
Hola, glad to be back on Tiff Benson.
Yes, he's here to help me unbox this baby. So let's go ahead and
show them this.
I know it's like gorge, right?
It's like a plastic, hard plastic.
Acrylic box.
Acrylic, hard plastic.
And it has this wire on it. So thank you, Shawn Mendes. I think Shawn Mendes himself sent this to me. Not a PR agency. I think Shawn Mendes himself.
Shawn Mendes signature. Happy holidays from Shawn Mendes signature.
Amaze. This is doing the most right now.
It's going to give you a hard time. That's what happens.
Have you heard anything about this one?
I've heard of it, but I haven't smelled it or haven't watched any reviews on it, but I know there have been a few reviews out.
Okay.
I think we might need to cut this thing.
Cut it.
Yeah.
Cut it.
My finger.
Oh,
Ow. It's got to slide up.
Gross.
Boom.
Okay, that was fun. I'm excited to try this though, because it looks like it has really yummy notes.
Yes, which are, it's unisex, first of all. It has lemon oil, pineapple, and Macintosh apple, frangipani, sugar maple accord, rose petals, dulce de leche, white cedar, skin musk. These notes sound absolutely fantastic.
This is what goes on really behind the scenes, right? This is a true unboxing.
Do you think it's easy to be a YouTube reviewer?
Not at all.
Doesn't always go as planned. Is it rollable or travel spray?
Yeah, let's see.
I got it here.
Thank you, love.
It is a rollerball, which I am not a fan of. Are you?
Don't like rollable? Oh, I don't care. I actually just I carry my bottles with me.
I've never seen so much extra stuff around the recording area from a package.
Yeah.
Show them the bottle close and all that stuff.
So this is the first time, we're both smelling it. We've never smelled it before. Bottle is fantastic. I think the branding is really nice, really nicely done. You get a sense of who he is and kind of how this fragrance might smell.
Is that on the bottle or just the card?
I think it's
Yeah, no.
Oh,
perhaps, yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say if it's unisex, I don't know. There you go. It's just a card.
Ready?
Let's spray this baby on.
I want you to spray it.
I shall.
Okay.
Where's the hole? Inside joke from my last video.
Oh, this is a scented tattoo. Are you kidding?
Cute.
I should put it on here so people think I went to jail or something.
Kind of smells a little feminine.
Let me see. It does. I wonder if it's yours. I think I should try it on the skin.
I'm going for it.
Just to be fair. Let me see. There's some, can we check out the notes?
We already did that.
Can I see it again? Can I see it?
Yes, ma'am.
It smelled like, there's something in there that...
Lemon oil, pineapple and Macintosh apple, frangipani, sugar maple accord, rose petals, dulce de leche, white cedar, and skin musk.
Maybe it's the cedar that I'm smelling?
It's got an underlying sweetness for sure. The citrus notes weren't quite as bright as I thought that it would be. It kind of goes right into the sweetness. It smells good.
Yeah.
But definitely kind of feminine.
It smells almost kind of like skin scent.
It smells nice, but it's sweet and feminine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's definitely sweet. More for the women than the men. If you're looking for something super masculine, this is not it.
And I'm open-minded when it comes to fragrances. I don't care if it's for men or for women. If I like it, I wear it. But
it almost smells a little smoky or something.
No, that's me. I just smoked a cigarette. Sorry, I smoke.
Certainly not transparent, but it's more on the lighter side of fragrance. It's not heavy. I don't think it's dense.
I would have to wear this a little bit and really give a full opinion. It smells very nice. It does not smell bad. or cheaply made or thrown together. I
Yeah.
hate when they just come out with something and just put it out there and it's thrown together. It does not smell like that. But it definitely smells really feminine. I know at work they play the songs all day long.
Right.
I'll be needing stitches, and then please have mercy on me.
Yes.
You keep tearing me apart.
Carlos knows all the songs. He had to
I'm not a
like
singer.
brief me.
I'm a player, I'm not a singer.
So let us know down in the comment box below if you've ever tried this. We're super curious. Also, let us know what's your favorite Shawn Mendes song. Is it any of the ones he just sang?
Or tried to sing.
Yeah, I mean, I love you, but...
Listen, I can sing when I have to. This was... I'm not a... Whatever! Now I'm mad at you.
All the information to get this and where to find this will be in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Head on over to Brooklyn Fragrance Lovers channel. Make
I'd
sure
love
you
to have you. Thank you.
subscribe, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. Peace.
Pretty cool cap. I do like the bottle.
Yeah, it's nice. It's cute.
It's a guitar pick, FYI. It's a guitar pick because he does play guitar.
Okay.
So this is shaped like a guitar pick, which this comes off. There we go. It's a guitar pick.
Who knew?
Want me to get my guitar and play for you?
No.
You're the worst. She's hating today.